now let's look at the story. Okay, will you please get your page 15?
Okay.
Page 15. Okay, so I will read the story. Okay, look at the picture. What can you see? What can you see?
Monkey.
Okay, say this. There is
a
monkey.
monkey.
Okay, where is the monkey?
It's underneath tree.
The tree. Very good, Yuka. What else can you see?
It's uncle.
Uncle is here near the monkey. Look. Hey, hey, it's going to rain. Come on, let's go home. Hayako, hayako, hayako. Okay, so there. So uncle. What else? What else can you see?
It's umbrella.
There is an umbrella. Say it again. There
is umbrella.
an umbrella. Very good.
Umbrella.
Yes. Look at the picture and listen, okay?
Okay.
Uncle Ben, this is Uncle Ben. Uncle Ben is upset. He is outside with an umbrella. He is looking for his pet monkey. The monkey is underneath the tree. Then Uncle said, Uncle is flying. Uncle said, look up the sky. It is going to rain, said Uncle Ben to his pet monkey. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now listen again. I'll read the story. Uncle Ben is upset. He is outside with an umbrella. He is looking for his pet monkey. The monkey is underneath a tree. Look up the sky. It is going to rain, said Uncle Ben to his pet monkey. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now let's see. Let's read this, okay? First, repeat after me. Outside.
Outside.
Looking for.
Looking for.
Look up.
Look up.
Sky.
Sky.
Okay, do you understand outside?
Yes.
Yes. Looking for.
Yes.
Okay, look up.
Yes.
Very good. And sky?
Yes.
Okay, so goodbye. You know everything. Goodbye already. Bye-bye. Okay. Yuka, I'd like you please now to get your page 15. Page 15.
Okay.
Okay, so listen. Okay, write the answers on the blanks, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so first, please write your name.
Okay.
Write your name on the blank.
Okay.
Okay, listen. Uncle Ben is upset. Uncle Ben is upset.
Okay.
He is outside with an umbrella. Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Under my umbrella. Okay. What is it?
Okay.
Okay. He is looking for his pet monkey. The monkey is underneath a tree. Underneath.
Okay.
Look up the sky. Up. Okay.
Okay.
It is going to rain, said Uncle Ben to his pet monkey. Okay, now, will you please get your red pen
Okay.
and check your words? Okay, get your red pen.
Finish.
Very good. What's your score?
It's 4.
4. What's the mistake?
It's umbrella.
Umbrella. Okay, so study the spelling of umbrella, okay?
Okay.
Will you please draw 2 stars? Very good. So draw 2 stars here. Ta-da!
Finish.
Finished. Okay. So now we're finished with letter U. And on Saturday, we have letter V. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Let's sing. Let's sing. Goodbye, YUUKA. Goodbye, YUUKA. Goodbye, YUUKA. It's time to say goodbye. Okay, let's sing for Haruka. 1, 2, 3. Goodbye, Haruka. Oh my gosh, where? Goodbye, Haruka. Goodbye, Haruka. It's time to say goodbye. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
See you on Saturday. Bye-bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Yes. Good job, YUUKA. Good job.
Good job. Thank you.
Bye.